So how will this draw work for the 2026 Football World Cup? Well, it's been expanded to 48 teams, so there will be 4 pots, each containing 12 countries. Then from those 4 pots, they will be drawn out into 12 groups, each containing 4 teams. The 2 Irish teams both have to come through playoff semi-finals and a final next March. If they make it through, they will both be in pot 4, so the good news is they cannot meet each other. Who can the Irish teams meet? Well, they could meet England or Scotland, but they can't meet both of them in the same group because any group can only have 2 teams maximum from UEFA. With the 48 team format, it then becomes a little complicated getting to the next stage, which is the round of 32. The top 2 teams in each group will automatically go through to that, and then it's a matter of hoping to be one of the best 8 third-placed sides in each of the groups to make up those 32. There will be 104 matches overall in World Cup 2026, and exactly 3/4 of them will be taking place in the USA, and all the matches from the quarterfinals onwards will be in the United States of America, with the final set for New York, New Jersey.